Rolling in luck. Unraveling the mystery of this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, rolling in luck. This idiom might sound a bit mysterious at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's dive in. Rolling in luck is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to be extremely fortunate or lucky. This phrase is often used to describe someone who seems to have continuous good fortune. Imagine luck as something tangible, and the person is literally rolling around in it. They have so much of it. The origin of rolling in luck isn't very clear, but it's believed to come from the imagery of someone having so much luck that they could roll in it, similar to the idea of someone rolling in wealth or money. This phrase captures the abundance of good fortune in a vivid and playful way. 1. After winning the lottery and finding her dream job, Emily was truly rolling in luck. 2. Can you believe how well things have turned out for Jake? He's really rolling in luck lately. 3. In stories, characters who find magic items or get granted wishes are often depicted as rolling in luck. On a roll, this means experiencing a prolonged period of success or good luck. Hit the jackpot, to gain a significant success or an unexpected large amount of money. Struck gold, to find or do something that brings you a lot of success or money. And that's a wrap on rolling in luck. Now you not only know what this phrase means, but you also understand its usage and similar expressions. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a bit of luck to your English language journey. Until next time, keep practicing, and who knows, you might find yourself rolling in luck with your English skills.